We helped hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you make fast, amazing Shopify stores. Hey e-commerce entrepreneurs, welcome back to Ecomclips, the place where we help you take full control of your Shopify store and make it amazing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize your Shopify store by adding a new block, integrating HTML for the variant picker, and using JavaScript for update product images with just a click. Stick with me and I'll show you a super simple trick that will change your store's look and feel, make it more engaging for customers. You have got a store, but maybe it does not look the way you want. No worries. Today I'll show you how to customize your store easily without needing a developer. With just a few simple steps, you will learn how to add a custom variant picker and change the product images instantly when someone clicks on a color or option. You will be in control of your store, no more waiting on apps or developer. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to make your product page look perfect for your customers. Let's dive in and get started. Step 1. First, we need to create a new HTML block in your Shopify themes. This is where you will add the code to create your new variant picker. In your Shopify theme editor, click on Add New Block. Choose the HTML block option and open it. This will allow you to easily insert custom code for the variant picker without affecting other parts of the theme. In this HTML block, we will paste the HTML code that creates the variant picker with product images. Here is the code you will add. This will show product images for each variant of your product, and it will show the main product image that updates when a variant is selected. Now just save it and move to the next step. Step 2. Now let's add the HTML code for the variant picker. Go to the asset of your Shopify HTML editor and create a new file called variantpickerstyle.css. Then add this CSS code. This will make the variant options look neat and evenly spaced on the page. Now let's add the magic, JavaScript. The small piece of code will make sure that when a customer clicks a variant image, the main product image will update automatically. Go to the theme.liquid file and scroll just before the end of body tag and paste the JavaScript code. This JavaScript listens for click on the variant options and updates the main image when a variant is selected. Now your product page is interactive and customers will see the image change immediately when they select a different variant. Step 4. Now save everything and test your product page. Click on the different variant and see the magic happens. The main image should update instantly. It's that simple to customize your Shopify store and make it more professional, interactive, and engaging for customers. Here at Ecomclips, we helped hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you make fast, amazing Shopify stores. Take a look at our previous store designs, clean, easy to use, and optimized for higher sales. And don't just take our word for it, check our Trustpilot reviews. Our clients love the fast results and professional designs. Do you want to create your perfect Shopify store? Get in touch with us at info@ecomclips.com. Just mention this video reference and we'll show you how we can help. It's time to take control of your store and start selling faster. Imagine how amazing it will feel when your store looks perfect and ready to make sales. You have taken full control and now you are ready to grow your business. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to Ecomclips for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video. Peace.